though.
Wait.
So far.
Go for it.
Yeah, turn it off.
I can have a couple of
Turn it off.
Oh my god.
Fuck me, to try and get everyone quiet. So we're back at Essex Works. This time, we had that much fun last time. We come back, we brought a few more fellow motorcycle riders up here. And we're on pit bikes this time.
On the correct bikes today.
Now he's we don't really know the rules yet. It was lap times, might be a race. I think lap times is safer.
I think we need to just start with free practice.
Well, we're free practice first. Yeah, because we're in free practice now because Ed come out for 2 laps, nearly had 5 crashes. So I says I've got to get my GoPro because
no,
you're going to crash.
my brake was stuck on.
Front brake was stuck on. So we'll start with free practice then.
It'd be the same speed for a full lap.
What do you reckon?
It's definitely way
What do I reckon? I reckon I'll smoke you.
Yeah, by a second.
I reckon maybe a second.
Otherwise,
How much will he beat me by?
beat you by?
Yeah, he says he's got a second on
At
it.
least a second, yeah. Especially if you're not going to go double through that.
It's as fast not doubling. How many we got? Got Geordie, Kecks, Bernard, Matthew. His brother Mal bailed because he's a little bitch. Jordan, Jackson. Ed's well up for the flying lap. He's revving it up. Yeah, always one dickhead that comes with us. He's banned from any more vlogs. Right, so it's one flying lap we're going to do. Well, that's it, one flying lap time, because Bernard reckons he's got me by 3 seconds, but I'm not having it. And he's got a cheater bike, it's brand new, mine's never been touched, never drained the oil, tyres flat.
Got perfect grip's what he's saying.
No, it's not, it sits in and wiggles.
Oh. Here he comes.
You did it on landing?
Yeah, I'm landing.
I'm actually just happy he's safe, because he's a dangerous man when the stopwatch is out. Do you reckon you've got more in your head or not?
I'm conservative because you tell me I crash all the time.
Yeah, well, I was nervous then, you doing that lap.
Kecks, you up?
I don't know whether inside's faster or not. There.
Go outside, stop with a little motor.
Where are we going from here?
When you land. is quick.
With the added
Yeah.
second, yeah.
I got half a second more.
That was really fast.
No, I got half a second in me.
Whatever.
He's how old.
When the going gets tough, the tough get going. Some can, some can't.
Stand is coming down. Right.
Nah, he done an illegal move.
3, you still got him?
Still.
Still got him?
Right, we're doing another lap. Are we on?
Yeah, go on.
We've got Geordie behind the lens now because Ed's, if you'd have a look over there, look, he's psyched up.
I must be pole.
You're 4 seconds off.
I cut the track.
What?
I cut the track.
You square everything up. You need to roll.
I missed that whole corner.
Oh, really? He's got no finesse around the corners. He just dives in, squares up and goes again.
I'm a stuntman.
All he's had
The wheelie king.
Just helping him out, giving him a little lesson. If you want to book on my lessons, Tommy Searle Training, you can go up there and book on the days and book on. This is the sort of stuff you get told. Look, listen mate, you've got to focus. Too slow in,
Tommy
middle
Searle
of the corner.
Training.
I just told him that. Middle of the corner, roll speed. These aren't power enough, you can't stop and go mate, alright?
It's not 26-2, mate.
Wait, you don't just do that.
I did the lap.
You didn't do that last time.
Mate, you can't even believe it.
Right, no you didn't do
I
it.
did. You were slow here and you were slow there.
You slow there, and there.
Oh, jeez.
Here comes the
What an
spoiler.
upset.
did it feel?
How'd I pull half
Were you
a lap?
lapped or were you miles out front?
I was half a lap ahead.
Ah, you were getting lapped.
You did do that one fair and square. I'm knackered.
How was I half a lap ahead?
No, you were half behind.
What? That was good racing. I'm done.
That was a forward to top.
I nearly crashed over in car.
You like really slowed me up there. I was going to hit you, I thought.
Yeah, I tried
I
that.
know you weren't joking, but I was like, yeah, but I'll get it. And I was like, gonna crash and be real.
I had both legs off everything over that double, like,
That was sick.
right.
I'm gonna snap.
Race recap, yeah?
Set off last. No, set off first, finish
I
last.
thought we'd see you out front.
Set off first, finish last. Tried to stop everyone. Couldn't hold on after half a lap. Just not got it. I'm better behind.
What's the time? Because I've got to get home. I'm not even joking.
Tonight?
No,
No
the
way.
missus is off out and I've got to look after the little man. I've been allowed out to play for half a day.
Good fun on these though.
That was good fun. So again, SX Worx. If you want to come, check them out. And we've had a great day here, as you can tell. But thanks for watching. Let me just think what you have to do. It always takes me a bit. You've got to subscribe, like, and that would be much appreciated. See you later.